Okay, before we start, uh, I would like to introduce myself. Okay, before we start, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, first thing first, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Farhan Adnan Pratama, and uh, in this group is Sulistia Firdausi, Trimamek Sulandari, and Revina Salia. Okay, the title for our presentation today is Management Fungi or Fungi Management in Group 6. What is fungi? Fungi play important roles, not only plant pathogens, but also as decomposer and antibiotic producer. Fungi are eukaryotic organisms that lack of chlorophyll, meaning they cannot perform photosynthesis to obtain energy. Fungi absorb nutrients from other living organisms or decomposing organic materials around them. Their bodies consist of fine filament called hyphae, which collectively form a network known as mycelium. Characteristic of fungi. Uh, Hyphae are long, branching filamentous structures that make up the body of fungi. They are responsible for growth, nutrient absorption, and reproduction. A mass of hyphae is called mycelium. Structure. Mycelium is a mass of interwoven hyphae that form the main body of fungi. It grows on or within the substrate. Function. It absorbs nutrients from the environment by secreting enzymes that break down organic matter. Type. There are two kinds of mycelium: vegetative mycelium for nutrient absorption and reproductive or aerial mycelium for spore. A spore is a microscopic reproductive unit produced by fungi, capable of developing into a new organism. Spores allow fungi to survive unfavorable conditions and spread to new environment. They can be formed sexually or asexually, depending on the fungal. Conidia. Asexual spore produced externally on specialized hyphae called conidiophores. Spora aseksual yang terbentuk di luar conidiophore. Macro or microconidia differ in size and number of septa. Macroconidia have multiple septa, while microconidia have one or none. Dibedakan berdasarkan jumlah sekatnya. Chlamydospore, thick wall resting spore form for survival under harsh conditions. Reproduction of fungi. Asexual fragmentation, budding or conidia formation. Sexual, fusion of two nuclei from different hyphae. Haploid spore after meiosis. Seksual, peleburan dua inti hifa berbeda menghasilkan spora haploid setelah meiosis. Classification of plant pathogenic fungi. A. Chytridiomycetes, the simplest group of fungi, mostly aquatic, reproduce using flagellated zoospores. Example, this is Syncytrium endobioticum causing potato wart. Management, use resistant varieties and follow plant quarantine regulation. B. Zygomycetes, hyphae or coenocytic or non-septate. Asexual spore are produced in sporangia, while sexual reproduction form sequel zygospore. Example, Rhizopus spp, causing soft rot in fruits and vegetable. Management. Avoid fruit injuries during harvest. Maintain cleanliness and control storage temperature.
Uh, Next, Ascomycetes. Definition: Ascomycetes are a group of fungi in the phylum Ascomycota known for producing sexual spores inside a sac-like structure called as ascus. They are often called cells of fungi because of this unique feature. Main characteristic: cell wall made of chitin can be unicellular or multicellular. Reproduction asexual by conidia, sexual by ascospores inside the ascus. Life saprotrops, parasite of symbiosis. Example general Saccharomyces, Penicillium, Aspergillus, Morcella gravis Cep. Next. Uh, Next, Deuteromycetes. Deuteromycetes, also known imperfect fungi are group fungi that lack a non-sexual reproductive stage. They are called imperfect because only their asexual reproduction has been observed. Many species are important in medicine, agriculture, and industry. Will other cause disease in human and plants. Reproduce asexually by forming conidia. No sexual states, no ascus or basidium. Have a spated hyphae and steno cell wall found in soil, plant, animals, and decaying material. Play roles as a subpropos parasite of pathogen. Example genera Penicillium, Aspergillus, Triptoptyton, Fusarium, Alternaria.
The next is Basidium mycota. Basidium mycota, also known as club fungi, are fungi that reproduce sexual spores called basidiospores on a globe-shaped structure known as the basidium. Most Basidium mycota are multicellular with septate, hypha, and from visible fruiting. Bodies such as mushroom, puffballs, and bracket fungi. They mainly reproduce sexually through the fusion of two different hyphae that later form basidiospores. Some are the decomposers, while others are plant pathogens such as Pusina or rust and Ustilago or smooth. Um, Common examples include Agaricus, Biosporus, or edible mushroom, and Rhizoctonia solani. Next.
Okay, next, and then Glomeromycota. Glomeromycota is a phylum of fungi commonly found in soil and is best known for forming arbuscular mycorrhizal fungi or AMF association with more than 80% of terrestrial plants. These fungi live in a mutualistic symbiosis with plants' roots. They help plants absorb water, phosphorus, and other minerals. plants supply carbohydrates produced through photosynthesis. Key characteristic soil-dwelling fungi that associate with plant roots. Form arbusculus and vesicle inside root cells. No known sexual reproductive stage. Reproduce asexually through flark, thick wall spores. Essential for soil health and plant productivity. Example genera Glomus, Gigaspora, and Acaulospora. Next. Next. Okay. Type of fungi based on their habits. First, saprophyte, saprophytic, decompose that organic matters, or decomposer. For the example, Rhizopus stolonifer, Aspergillus niger, Penicillium sp. Parasitic, live on a host and cause harm. Diseases in plant, animal, or humans. For the example, Puccinia graminis, Candida albicans, Ustila gomidis. And the third, symbiotic or mutualistic, live in mutual association with other organisms. Form, lichen, lichen, fungus plus algae, mycorrhiza, fungus plus plant roots. For the example, Lecanora sp. Rhizopus oryzae, predatory, capture and consume small organism. For the example, nematodes, Arthropods sp. Okay, the last for the conclusion. Fungi have dual role in ecosystem. They are essential decomposer, but can also act as a plant pathogens. Understanding their classification and reproductive mechanism is crucial for effective disease management and maintaining agricultural productivity. Okay, thank you. That's all for our presentation. Sorry for the ya, itulah. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.